Hi, this is John with WTI. And lately I was having a lot of problems with my dark clothes, a couple of jeans and a couple of shirts that they were getting a little bit dull with the color. But this is where this Norit dark clothes detergent comes into place. And I'm gonna tell you what I like the most from here. First, it gave my dark clothes life again. I had two pairs of jeans, dark jeans that I could never wear them. They were getting really big dull, and using just a couple of washes with this detergent, it felt like I had a new set of dark jeans. It's easy on this clothes. It's just like you put it there in your laundry machine, and it's just gonna do the work by itself. Has a nice quality, good smell. It's not going to go too hard on the fabric. And if you're just trying to get back into life to your clothes, this guy here just does the job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.